Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to split bills on Zelle. So we're going to get straight into it. The first method is to split bills using the Zelle mobile app. So what you want to do here is to first open the Zelle mobile app on your mobile device. Then you want to click on split or split bill option. Then you got to enter the total amount of the bill, then select the family or friends or family members that you want to split the bill with. Then enter the amount each person owes, and then of course you can add a note or a message to let them know what that's all about, and then click split to send the request. Now once you've sent it, each person is going to receive a notification with the request, and once everyone has paid, the funds will be directly deposited into your linked bank account or your debit card. That's the first method. Now the second method, of course, is to split bills using Zelle's request money feature. Now how you want to use this is to first open Zelle's mobile app on your mobile device, and then click on the request or request money option, and then enter the total amount of the bill. Then you gotta select the friends or family members that you want to split this bill with, and then of course enter the amount that each person owes. And after you're done that, of course you can add a note or message to let them know what that's all about, and then click request to send this request. Now each person is going to receive that notification for the request, and once everyone has paid, the funds will be directly deposited to your linked bank account or your debit card. That's the second method. Now the third method, of course, is to split bills using Zelle's QR code feature. Now this is a bit different, and how you do that is to first open the Zelle mobile app on your mobile device. Then you got to click on the QR code options. Then you got to generate a QR code for the bill amount, and then share this QR code with your friends and family members to split the bill. Now each person can scan that QR code to pay their share, and once everyone has paid, of course the fund is going to be directly deposited to your linked bank account or your debit card. So I got a couple of tips for you guys here. The first is to ensure that you have accurate information. So you want to verify that you have the correct email addresses or mobile numbers for the people you're splitting the bill with. That way you don't end up sending the request to a wrong person. And the second, of course, is to communicate with the group. So you got to keep the group informed about the bill and what it is that's going on. So those are the tips I got for you guys, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope you liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because we really need your support, guys. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.